Welcome to a FusionScope workflow video meant to demonstrate the process of data taking and analysis in the FusionScope. The FusionScope is capable of correlated measurements via SEM, EDS, and AFM. This video will show you how to change an AFM tip and can also be viewed in a series how to prepare a correlated measurement involving changing the tip, aligning the tip with the SEM for correlated measurements, and measuring the sample height. We will start with changing the tip. To change the AFM tip, first go to the workflow in the upper right corner. Then, in the menu, you can either click Change Tip, or, since this is a video series going over changing the tip, aligning the tip, and measuring the sample height, we will click Change Both to change both the sample and the tip. As the sample is also being changed, the workflow will now include measuring height of the sample. You will see a camera view with the correct sample and AFM head visible. Click Park to move the AFM head away from the sample. Clicking Continue will move the sample stage away from the AFM head and begin to vent the chamber. Once the chamber is vented, open the front drawer and pull out the stage. Then unscrew the set screw holding the AFM head in place and flip it over, being careful not to touch the cantilever. With the angled tip tweezers, carefully take out the old cantilever. Use the tweezers to pick up the new cantilever and align its 10 pins with the mount. Press to secure the cantilever in place. Then, flip the AFM head back over, making sure it slots into the dovetail underneath it. Then place the alignment tool behind the AFM head. Now gently push on the AFM head toward the back right corner and then tighten the set screw. Remove the alignment tool and shut the chamber door. In the FusionScope software, select the type of tip you wish to use. At this time, you can check the tip response to ensure that the tip is working as you would expect. If the tip is working, you can now evacuate the chamber. The tip has been changed, and the typical next step is to align the AFM tip to the SEM, which will be shown in the following video. This concludes this FusionScope workflow video. If you have any questions about your system and how to use it, feel free to direct those questions to apps@qdusa.com.